This 2024 Keystone Residence 40 Loft is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Dover, Florida, 33527 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 40 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, slide-out, and 53 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features front living area, kitchen island, loft, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.